Welcome to this video, where we will learn English in a fun way through a simple but inspiring story. This time, we'll follow the daily life of a teenage girl named Lucy, who is energetic, hardworking, and creative. This story will not only help you understand everyday life in English, but also introduce you to simple vocabulary and sentences that you can use in your own life. From waking up in the morning, studying, to spending time with family, Lucy's story is perfect for beginners who want to learn English easily and comfortably. So, get ready to learn while listening to this exciting story about Lucy. Don't forget to prepare a notebook to write down new vocabulary. Let's start this journey of learning English through her story. Lucy, an 18-year-old teenage girl, starts her day with energy every morning. At exactly 5:30 a.m., her phone alarm rings softly. With half-closed eyes, she reaches for her phone and turns off the alarm. Lucy always begins her morning with a short prayer, thanking God for the new day. After that, she gets out of bed and makes her bed tidy. For her, this is a small step to start the day neatly and organized. Then, she goes to the bathroom to freshen up. After taking a shower, Lucy chooses comfortable yet stylish clothes that show her simple but classy teenage style. Around 6:30 a.m., Lucy heads to the kitchen for breakfast. She usually enjoys a bowl of oatmeal with fresh fruit and a glass of warm green tea. While eating, she reads a book or checks her phone for messages from her friends. At 7 a.m., Lucy gets ready to go to school. She is a diligent and ambitious 12th grade student. Before leaving, she makes sure all her books and school supplies are neatly packed in her bag. Lucy rides her bicycle to school, enjoying the cool morning breeze and greeting neighbors along the way. At school, Lucy is known as a cheerful and active student. She always pays attention to her teachers during lessons, but still finds time to joke around with her friends during break. She is also part of the school art club because she loves drawing and painting. This club is her favorite place to express her creativity. After school, which ends around 3 p.m., Lucy usually goes straight home. After changing into comfortable clothes, she eats lunch prepared by her mother. After eating, she takes about an hour to rest, usually by reading a novel or listening to her favorite music. At 4:30 p.m., Lucy starts working on her school assignments. She always tries to finish her homework on time. If there's a group project, she usually contacts her friends for discussions through video calls. In the evening, around 6 p.m., Lucy often helps her mother in the kitchen. She learns to cook simple dishes and feels happy to spend time with her mom. After dinner, usually around 7:30 p.m., Lucy goes back to her room to study or watch educational videos if an exam is coming up. At 9 p.m., Lucy takes some time to do her hobbies, like drawing in her sketchbook or writing a journal about her day. For her, this is a fun way to end the day. At 10 p.m., Lucy gets ready for bed. She washes her face, brushes her teeth, and changes into her pajamas. Before lying down, Lucy always takes a moment to pray, asking for protection and guidance for the next day. Feeling calm, she falls asleep peacefully, ready to face a new day full of opportunities. Thank you for learning with us through Lucy's story. From this story, we learned new vocabulary and how to use English in daily life. Remember to keep practicing and don't be afraid to try. We hope this story inspires you to learn with more enthusiasm. See you in the next video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.